I want to make an official Maverick representation this evening to the major international sporting bodies that govern team sports, like football and basketball, netball, cricket, all team sports. Whenever you all have championship seasons or tournaments, please ensure that no MVP awards are given to any member of any losing team. It is inherently wrong and is counter to the core value system of sports. When you have an NBA best of 7 final, for example, automatically go to the winning team and select the most impactful performer in that championship team and give them the MVP title. No matter how technically or statistically good any member of the losing team is, they're never good enough and should not win the MVP award. Someone on the winning team must have brought more value to their team because they achieved the ultimate by winning the title. The word valuable in the term MVP must be value relative to one's team winning the ultimate prize. If you don't achieve the ultimate, your performance was not valuable enough. Yes. How can a loser be more valuable than a winner in a tournament? You get what I say? You get it? Please advance.